Hi
Hi,
guys!
this is Manila.
This is Arella. Yeah, for today's video, we have our kwentuhan. And I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is.
Yay!
Ito ha. What goals do you have this coming school year? Goals meaning, yan yung mga bagay na wala ka pa or hindi mo pa nagagawa, na gusto mong magawa, gusto mong makamtan, or gusto mong mangyari, mga ganun ba? Siyempre,
Luggage!
goals mo yun sa this school year.
Luggage.
Not the, of course, not the, not the things, syempre.
Okay. Goals ko.
Something good that you want to happen in your life. Ang tagal mag-isip.
Ano? Alam ko na.
Here, dito ka.
May isip na ako.
Sige, what is that?
It is, ano, I will get madaming stamps na stars.
Oh, why? What's the reason for that?
So,
For you? So, how will you get those stars?
you have to be bright.
Yeah, of
Ayan,
course.
Mama.
You have to be bright in school. You have to be very smart. So, do you have any specific goals?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, having those stars that you want. But what's that? What I mean, do you want to? Do you want to be a good reader, or do you want to be a good mathematician?
Hindi
have
ako
to-
matician.
You have to be very good in mathematics. Yeah, that's the goal. So,
I almost did the star, guys.
so what's your goal?
Wait. My goals are to be a fast reader, fast spelling,
Ano fast spelling?
be
Be very good in spelling. Kasi
very
mahirap pa
good
siya
in
sa spelling.
spelling,
Okay.
at very good at mathematics.
Wow, yan. That's nice goals. So, syempre, for you to be able to get those, hindi ka dito, nawawala ka sa
Wait
camera.
lang kasi I'm doing something.
Mamaya na yan. Diba? Huwag kang aalis sa camera. So, for you to be able to get, to happen those goals, syempre, you must study
A lot.
hard.
Hard pala, sorry.
You must study hard para ma-reach mo yung goals mo. Okay?
Yes.
No, nice goals naman. Very good job. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today's kwentuhan. Yeah, sana ma-reach mo yung goals mo. Okay? Okay, 2 weeks na lang. Pasokan na. Thank you for watching. Please follow us, support us.
Bye.
Bye.